So I've connected my yarn to my needle with a slip knot, which is also counted as my first stitch, and now I'm ready to cast on some more stitches. There's lots of different techniques and methods for doing casts on, but the one I'm going to show you now is called the cable cast on, and it uses 2 needles. So let's begin. So I'm going to take my right needle and I'm going to insert it into the slip knot and create a cross. So the right needle is lying underneath the left needle. Then with my yarn from my ball of wool, I'm going to take it from the back all the way round, anti-clockwise, through the middle of the cross, and now I'm ready to make my stitch. So I'm going to use my finger here just to help guide the right hand needle down, and just push it gently down, and as I bring it forward, I will find there's a loop there which I'm going to use as my stitch. So I'm just going to pull it out to ease the slack, and now I need to put that back onto this left needle in order to make the stitch. So bring the tip of the left needle underneath, put it back onto the left needle, and then I can just gently pull it, and then you can see I've got now 2 stitches sitting on my left hand needle. When you pull the slack, don't pull it too tight, because we now need to put our right hand needle between these 2 stitches, so you don't want it to be too tight when you're doing that. So now let's make the next stitch. So with my right hand needle this time, I'm going to go between those 2 stitches. So through the back, all the way through, and then with my yarn, take it from the back anti-clockwise all the way round through the middle of the cross, and then I can do the same again where I'm just going to guide the right hand needle down, catch the loop, ease the slack, and then I'm going to put that back onto my left hand needle, and then gently pull in, not too tight. So that's 3 stitches made. So let me just do that a couple more times. Right hand needle between the stitch I've just made and the previous one, through the middle of that, through the back. Bring the yarn round anti-clockwise, through the middle, guide my needle down, bring it forward and catch that loop, open it up, open up the slack with my left hand needle, bring that back onto the left hand needle, gently pull in, and I'll do it one final time between the one stitch I've just made in the previous one. Right hand needle through the middle, all the way through, bring my yarn round from the back, through the middle, ease the right hand needle down, bring it forward, bring out that loop, and then put it back onto the left hand needle. And there we have 5 stitches made using the cable cast on technique.